This is the Smiths in Bullhead City, Arizona. They have their fireworks up. They have the unicorn snaps, $2.49. That's a new price. Smoke balls, $2.49. New price. They have the new for 2026 recharge fountain, $3.50. The 2-pack Dino fountains remains at $5 here. They have the 2-pack of snaps, same price as before, $2. They have the ground bloom flowers, $5, except this is a box of 15. Last year it was 20. They have the Patriot Pack. New price is $15. Sparklers remain at $3. They have the rainbow sticks. New price is $5.99. It was $5 last year. They have the Jam Box fountain from last year. Its new price is now $14.99. They have the Color Blast assortment. New price is $28. Razzle Dazzler assortment was $60 last year, is $70 this year. 20-inch sparklers remain the same price as before. Dino Pop-Its, $2.50. They were $2 last year. Disco Turkey is now $3.49. It was $3 last year. Red Snapper adult snaps. The price actually went down on this, $2. More of the ground blooms. The Whimsy fountain. New price is now $15. Mad Trolls went up from $5 to $6. Taco Tuesday also went up to $20. The Super Value 3-pack is $15 now. Proud Eagle assortment is $40. And the glow swords. So this is what we have at Smith's or Kroger in Bullhead City, Arizona.